Now we have the toilets. This building is being worked on, and we'll be painting it. We'll be fixing the toilets, and we'll be changing some of the windows. The windows are wooden frame. We'll change some of them, but we don't have the budget to put in aluminium windows, so we'll end up painting some of them. So in here we've got the female toilets, and in the middle we've got the laundry room, and on the right we've got the male toilets. Now we're going into the main toilet, and what we'll be doing here is changing all the pipes and the toilet seats and making sure that they're functioning properly. And this has no glass, so we'll be replacing that. And some of the doors, we'll be doing the same thing. We'll be putting in 3 showers and leaving 2 basins. Originally there were basins there, but we're going to take some of those basins out and have essentially 3 showers. And as we move into, this will be the laundry room. There'll be a washing machine here. It used to be a toilet, but we replaced that because I don't think we need another toilet. And we'll have a geyser in there and a washing machine. And they've started painting. So, and then this is where we are going to have 3 showers here as well. And we've replaced some of the basins. And this is a new toilet seat that we've put in. And we're working with each toilet, and we'll be replacing that and filling up all the cracks and the damage to the walls so that we can replace all the walls. And we'll be converting one of those toilets into a shower. And then this is the frame of the window. It's wooden, as I've mentioned before. As we go outside, on this side, we'll see that the tiles have been falling off the roof because of the tree. And we're working on cutting that tree down. And we can see the water damage on the walls. And at the back here, by the way, that's from Kawawa River. And that's the N2 over there. And then we have to cut this tree as well because it's damaging the gutters, as you can see. It's clogging it up and it's damaging it. And these were some of the copper pipes that were removed and stolen. So we'll be replacing those.